Dear guys, today I am going to discuss with you about the fourth chapter, chapter 4. Name of the chapter is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. You have heard her name, and in this chapter, we are going to learn about Kalpana Chawla, how she went into space. An Indian American. It means she was an Indian American, that is born in India. She was born in India but married American. She was born in India but married an American. That's why she was called Indian American. In this lesson, just we are going to learn about her, how in the first mission she was successful in Colombia. In the first mission, she was successful, but in the second mission, she lost her life. Just she was the first woman born in India to go into space. She was the first woman born in India who went into space. The lesson starts here. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed, that is, it was not her dream. She never dreamed. कभी भी स्वप्न नहीं देखा था. What? As a child in Karnal, she was born in Karnal, and she had never dreamed that she would cross the frontiers of space. She will go into space. She had never dreamed. उसके स्वप्न में कभी नहीं आया था कि वह कभी स्पेस अंतरिक्ष में जाएगी. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college. Her parents allowed her. They permitted her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. She got the graduate degree from Tagore School, and then she took admission in engineering college. After a Bachelor of Science BSc की डिग्री लेने के बाद, after taking the degree of Bachelor in Aeronautical Engineering, Bachelor degree she took in Aeronautical Engineering against great opposition from her father. Her father opposed. What? She went for a master degree to the United States of America. Her father did not like it. Her father opposed, but against her father's opposition, she went to America for MSc degree. And United States of America later earned her PhD degree. Also she took PhD degree. वहाँ उसने PhD degree भी ली. And in aerospace engineering, Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American woman astronaut, अंतरिक्ष यात्री, astronaut, to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida. First woman, she was born in India, who took in this and participate in the successful mission in space. She was the first lady who was born in India and took in this mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with his staff. That is, her family, parents were sitting with his staff, and they were also looking how she was taking part in this mission. And center as they watched the Columbia lift off. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana. Karnal is in Haryana. She was born there, but was a naturalized US citizen. See, later on, she was born in India, but legally she took the citizenship of American citizenship. She took there. Married to flight instructor. She married there in America. Flight instructor Jean Pierre Harrison. She married this person. Name of this person is Jean Pierre Harrison. He was flight instructor and she married him. Besides being an astronaut she was, but besides being astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land aeroplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also took training in that is single engine and seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. She was also flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge. After this, she wanted to face other challenge in her life, and she also applied NASA's space shuttle program. She wanted to join this program, and she was first hired. She was given a chance there. She was given to apply to do this work as a research scientist. As a research scientist, she was given a chance there in NASA. And in 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. As an astronaut, she was selected there as a research साइंटिस्ट के रूप में उसको अनुमति मिल गई. Okay, I have sent difficult word meaning. You will learn all words, and in the next video I will send you remaining portion of this chapter. Okay, thanks.